Hello, Internet and the rest of the world. We're here today with Walk Around with Ralph. Please subscribe to our channel so you'll catch up with most of our videos. We're in beautiful downtown San Antonio today. San Antonio, New Mexico, that is. We're going to go downtown and visit a little bit and see what all is in beautiful downtown San Antonio, New Mexico. I got Heathcliff out there doing the camera duties today. Got Sam here doing my sound engineering for me. Come here, Heathcliff. Let's get a better view of this sign at least. Okie dokie. We're going to get a little bit better view of the entrance to San Antonio and city limit sign here. That's all this is. Beautiful downtown San Antonio, New Mexico. We'll probably go visit the Al Bar and Grill and have a hamburger there. Okie dokie. We're here in beautiful downtown San Antonio, New Mexico, in front of the Buckhorn Diner restaurant. This place has been rated number 7 in America for the green chili cheeseburger. That's pretty doggone good, competing with all 50 states. We'll try one here in a minute. They're really, really good, I can tell you that. Okay, we'll get a little bit better view of the place here in just a second. Come here, Heathcliff. Okie dokie, we're gonna get a little bit broader shot here of the cafe and area in general. Got Heathcliff out there high enough to get above the traffic. He'll be coming back here in just a second. He's doing my camera duties today for me. Not getting hazardous duty pay. Come here, Heathcliff. Okie dokie, welcome to beautiful downtown San Antonio, New Mexico. We're here at the Al Bar and Grill. It's one of the most things in San Antonio that it's famous for. Used to stop here all the time when we were going up to Socorro to the Fire Academy. Some of the best hamburgers in the United States right here, as well as steaks and other stuff. We'll get a little bit broader picture of it here in just a second. Come here, Heathcliff. Okie dokie, we're gonna get a little bit broader shot here of the Al Bar and Grill in beautiful downtown San Antonio, New Mexico. If you're ever through here, make sure you stop here. Good food, friendly folks. Come on back here, Heathcliff.